I'm Dr. Roger, and this question is from the April 2021 USSAT non-calculator. College Board gives us a radical equation with a square root, and they ask us to solve for x. To do that, I'll square both sides. Which gives me 14 minus 2x on the left, x squared minus 14x plus 49 on the right. If I subtract 14 from both sides and add 2x, I get 0 equals x squared minus 12x plus 35. And I can factor that. X and x, 7 times 5 is 35, and they're both negative. So either x minus 7 equals 0, or x minus 5 equals 0. If a product equals 0, either the first factor is 0 or the second factor is 0. Adding 7 to both sides on the first equation, I get x equals 7. Adding 5 to both sides on the second equation, I get x equals 5. And we're tempted to just bubble one of them in, but it says what value. It doesn't say what is a value. So we know there's only one that works. Let's try 7. Square root of 14 minus twice 7 is the square root of 14 minus 14 is root 0. And that is 7 minus 7, which is 0. So 7 is good. What about 5? Square root of 14 minus twice 5 is the square root of 14 minus 10 is root 4. And 5 minus 7 is negative 2. But the square root is a function. There is only one answer, and that is the positive square root, the principal square root. 2 is not equal to negative 2, so 5 is not a solution. That's what we call an extraneous solution. When you're solving radical equations or rational equations, the algebra will sometimes give you a solution that does not actually work in the original equation. And you always have to check your answers at the end by substituting them in to see if the original equation is true. College Board often asks radical equations and rational functions, so make sure you review these and come back soon for my next video. With math, there's always more.